What's up, everybody? John here with Jim, chilling in the Tacoma. We are going to Cars and Coffee this morning, and look what we're taking with us. That's right, guys. The 49 Ford body swap BMW is going to Cars and Coffee. Are you excited?
Yes.
We're gonna have some fun, hopefully. This is the longest that we've driven that car. It's probably about maybe 20 miles one way, maybe 18 miles.
I think it's about 30.
It's about 30 miles one way. Oh, mama, we're definitely the longest we're gonna drive this car. Wheels are torqued. Pressure is good on the tires. Been driving around maybe an hour so far, like 2 nights. And it's running good. It's on 10 pounds of boost right now, just spring pressure, and seems to be doing good. So we're gonna see how it does.
Very different, what you say to me and what you do. Have you been playing me like a fool, or have we just got lost finding where we are meant to be, meant to be, meant to be, meant to be, Well, guys, we did make it to Cars and Coffee, and it was about a 30-mile drive, I'd say. So Ryan drove the car.
Yeah.
What do you
Loved
think?
it. Absolutely loved it, dude. So much fun. We were worried about it pulling all over with those giant tires. Drove much straighter than I expected. Man, that motive running so good right now.
Yeah.
You can put it whatever gear you want, step on it, boost comes up, car just goes, and it just pulls hard.
So you're saying that it drives better than the Z3 that you got?
It does. The Z3 has some fat tires on it, and the car doesn't weigh nothing, a little narrower, and it tracks all over the place. This thing it was much straighter than I expected. It drives great.
Sweet, man. Well, that's success. So we're gonna go walk around and check out some cars. What is this thing, Ryan?
It's a Kellison. I looked at the sticker in the window. Surprisingly, it's from 60s.
Wow, man, it's got a really nice body
It
style.
does. It has some crazy lines, especially modern for the 60s, you know? The way the back sloped and curved.
So sweet, dude. It's got an LS up.
Yeah. That's not a Corvette since it has Corvette wheels.
Yeah.
So the car itself, I was reading, is just a body. So they call it a kit car today, it says, but it was just a body, and then you have to find something else to swap it onto.
Dang, that's pretty sweet.
John, what in the world is this thing?
Dude, so this is from my home country. Actually, I'm not sure where they're made. Maybe it is in Hungary, but so I'm actually Hungarian nationality. Lived in Romania, but that's beside the point. It's a little confusing. But anyway, there's a million of these running around over there. Like, this is like the car of choice, right? I think it's a 2-cylinder, 2-stroke, if I'm not mistaken. Body panels are some kind of composite. This thing's from like late 60s, I want to say. Here. And it's just a super efficient Eastern European kind of car. It's cool, man. There's some out there. Posted some on the Instagram account before. There's some really sweet ones, like, you know, modified and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's a cool car.
I heard him pulled in my my 250 4-stroke dirt bike.
Yeah.
Sounds like it has more power.
Yeah, check out the pipe, you know?
Yeah.
See you guys. Thank you. Yeah, it's a Trabant. See you, Noah. Actually, in proper Hungarian accent, it's a Trabant. So here's the owner of the Trabant. When did they make these from?
64 to 91 for this body style, for the 601.
Oh, crazy, man.
Yeah.
Same body style. I mean, that's the way to get your money out of the tooling.
Yeah, 3 million units built of the same body style.
Yeah, hey, why don't you tell the viewers, it's a 600cc 2-stroke.
Yeah, 2-stroke, makes 27 horsepower. It's actually 598 cc's, has 6 moving parts inside the motor, and it uses a 28 millimeter carburetor on it.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's so rad.
Linked to a 4-speed manual transmission that you column shift. So it's like a 3-piece, like a typical 3 on the tree, but also on top of it, you, no fuel pump, no water pump, barely a belt to make it air cooled. Super simple.
That's so awesome, man. Really nice example too.
Yeah, it's only had 1 repaint in its entire life. The rest of the car is all original, including interior.
So we're back from Cars and Coffee.
I like driving this.
Yeah? It's sweet, huh?
It is sweet, man.
All right, man. Well, why don't you close this video out for our viewers?
Yeah. We had a great turnout today at Cars and Coffee. A lot of people there. We hadn't been in a long time. Happy about that. Car was very well received. People came by checking it out, loved it. So Hope you enjoyed it just as much as we did. Have a good one.